Now I know. See here, it says this was experiment 1. This actually came from Groblersdal. This was the hitchhikers that came back in that one box. So we had to give them a queen. So as an experiment, this is actually working really, really well.
Okay, don't you? Because you want to take one of the brood ones for the end, don't you?
For that week.
Yeah.
There. Let's see what we get. Oh, actually, it would be good if we could actually give these guys some bees.
So just empty.
Some little bits of things in there.
Not much going on there, yeah.
I don't know if this one's even got a queen. Oh, but this was the one I was worried about.
Yes, this one you said was just a tiny little bunch of bees. No, that's not too bad.
Because it got brood though, there's no brood.
No, but that's why giving them brood might work, Matt.
Yeah, but then I think I need to give them eggs as well, then they can make a queen. You see now, yeah, there's no
queen.
There's no queen in here, I don't think.
Max, at this stage, it's not going to harm them giving them some brood.
Yeah.
And some resources.
But I might want to actually, when we open that other big one, if we get a nice frame of eggs,
do the same.
I might actually just give them some eggs.
Take that out.
Yeah.
We'll just drop these two in.
Coat for him. Let me just check that one. I want to have a look at this one.
This is the resource one?
Yeah. I just want to have a look at this one. So this one, I don't know if it'll have eggs. Might be some on this side. We'll give them this brood, but if we can grab a frame of eggs from that next one,
we'll replace this one as well.
Then we'll replace that other one, yeah. Well, we got to hopefully put some eggs in here, and then they'll make a queen. Okay, that's fine.
It's nectar. Are there eggs in those cells there? There's an egg, there's an egg. There's an egg.
Okay.
Not many eggs, very few. Spread out.
Okay, so let's look at the next one then. It's mostly brood. Yeah. Okay. That's what I'm looking for. Come look at this one for me.
There's an egg here, egg there. Yeah, no, there's a few eggs, mainly around here. Okay. In that little pot there.
Okay, then let's take this one out then.
Hey, do you want to give it to me?
Shut up, I'm not sure these guys are
gonna make it, but we can only help them, Max. They came with no queen. No, not that one.
Ah. That's safe.
It's alright. That's why there's extra hands and eyes and ears and all the rest of it. Right, so we've given them a chance. We've given them brood, we've given them eggs. If there's a chance, they'll make it now.
Yeah.
What more could they ask for?
Not much.
How's it looking good?
I'm actually quite impressed. For a thing that had maybe 40 bees on it when we started.
Sure. There's not much though, eh?
Yeah, but as I said, there was stuff that we left in there to help them.
So this one we might want to boost, like I think you mentioned that, eh?
Yeah. They definitely are better than what they were.
See if we can find some brood though. So we were worried that this one didn't have a queen, eh?
Correct. So we gave them larvae. There's somebody laying. Within the month or the 6 weeks that we haven't looked at that set, they would have died if they hadn't had a queen.
Yeah.
They certainly wouldn't be laying. So whatever we managed to give them,
brood of this one as well.
not a lot. So let's call it 3 weeks. So it's now been a month of January, and we did this just before that December break, 15th of December.
Yeah.
So she's at max she's been laying for maybe a month.
Right. So I'm just going to close this like this for now. And we'll come back to this one in a minute.
It looks like they've done well on that one.
Yeah, they like those. They build them up nicely. Yeah, there we go. So they built that out. Not much brood on there though.
So keep it
Eggs, yeah, there's lots of eggs.
So is that not a potential to move?
Yeah, it could be. Okay, let's do that. Because that's a nice frame and that'll get that other hive looking good.
One for there.
Okay, so we're taking a frame from one of our stronger hives and we're going to put it into this weak hive.
No queen.
We didn't have a queen, so we try to get them to make a queen. It looks like they have a queen now because there is brood in here, and we're going to give them a bit more brood. It's a bit of a shitty frame, but it's fine because it's a small box. We'll be able to work it out.
You don't think just leaving 4 frames in four frames in there instead of 5 is a good idea?
This box is so tight, I might even actually consider that.
So I don't want to damage any of this that they've done.
Yeah, let's leave it like that then. It's going to give them a couple of thousand more bees quite quickly.
Yeah.
Wow, we've only got 4 frames in here. Okay. I think we had a problem because this box was so tight that we actually couldn't fit another frame in it. But this colony is not looking too bad. There's not much on this frame. It's actually quite a bad frame. There's a queen there. So you can see her on that frame. Right there at the top. So we do have a queen in this box. It's a good thing. I don't know what was happening here, but I think we might have given her eggs on this one, them eggs, because they've been able to create a queen. This frame's pretty empty. Taking out these frames. Okay, so we're going to leave this one as it is. I'm not going to put it in a big box, it's not big enough yet. So we're going to start feeding them. We've given her space. Put it back to a 5-frame box because it only had 4 in. It was a mistake on our behalf, but I'm sure we had a reason for it. And then I'll actually take these off. We'll record this.